In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the same text into multiple Google Sheets cells. Whether you're organizing data or just want some consistency across your spreadsheet, this is a handy trick that doesn't require any complex formulas. Instead, we'll be utilizing a very convenient plugin called Power Tools. To begin with, you'll want to add Power Tools to your Google Sheets. It's an add-on that expands the functionality of your sheets without much hassle. To do this, start by navigating to the Add-ons menu at the top of your Google Sheets screen. Once you're there, click on Get Add-ons. This will open up the Add-ons marketplace, where you'll need to search for Power Tools. Once you've found it, simply install it by following the prompts. It's a straightforward process that only takes a moment. After the installation is complete, you can access Power Tools from the Extensions menu. Click on Extensions, find Power Tools in the list, and click Start. This action will open the Power Tools panel on the right side of your screen. It's a user-friendly interface that helps streamline various tasks in Google Sheets. Next, focus on the text functionality within Power Tools. Click on Text, and then choose Add from the list of options. This feature will allow you to add or append text to your current dataset with ease. Now it's time to select the specific sheet you want to modify. For this demonstration, let's imagine you have a list of numbers in a column, and your goal is to add the text Hello at the beginning of each number. First, type the word Hello into the text input area on the Power Tools panel. Then, make sure to set the position to At the Beginning. This ensures that the text will appear exactly where you want it, in relation to the existing data. Once you're all set with your text and its position, simply click on Add. You might notice a bit of loading time as the add-on processes your request and incorporates the text into each cell. But not to worry, it's typically quite quick. And there you have it. Each number in your column now begins with Hello. It's a simple and efficient solution without the need for setting up any formulas. With Power Tools, this once tedious task becomes almost effortless, saving you time and potential frustration. Whether you're managing a small dataset or a large project, this tool can greatly enhance your efficiency and productivity in Google Sheets. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it simplifies your workflow.